Hello, Chem students! Today we are going to talk about how to rearrange algebraic formulas and calculate density. In each of these problems, we need to solve for the blue variable. On number 1, we need to solve for m, or rearrange the formula to look like m equals, or get m all by itself on one side. In order to do that, we must first see what else is with m that we need to get to the other side. So if we look here, v is with m, and so next we see what relationship is between m and v, and then do the opposite. So it's m divided by v, so we do the opposite of division, and we do multiplication. So we're going to multiply both sides by v. I'm going to rewrite this. d is equal to m divided by v. We need to get rid of the v. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply both sides by v. If we multiply that side by v, we have to multiply this side by v. When we do that, v divided by v is 1, so they go away. And we've got here m is equal to d times v, which is density times volume. On this side, we need to solve for v. So we need to get v all by itself, so we need to get rid of the m. But we also need to get v on top, and in order to get v on top, we do the opposite of what's happening to it. So it's m divided by v, and we need to get v on top, so we're going to multiply by v both sides. So let's multiply that side by v, multiply that side by the right side by v, and now let's multiply the left side by v. These v's go away because v divided by v is 1, and we've got d times v is equal to m. Looks a lot like this formula up here. Now we have v on top, but we need to get v all by itself. It needs to look like v equals. So we need to get rid of this d. Now I see that they are multiplied together. It's v times d. So in order to get rid of the d, we need to do the opposite. So we are going to divide by d. And if I divide by d over here, then I'm going to divide by d over here. So d divided by d is 1. And now I've got here v is equal to m divided by d. V is equal to mass divided by density. The mass of a substance per unit volume is what density is. It is an intensive physical property. The units for density is grams per milliliter or grams per cubic centimeter. The equation for density, if it's mass per unit volume, it would be mass divided by volume. The density of water is 1.0 grams per mil, or 1.0 grams per cubic centimeter. And what that means is for every 1 gram of water that you will have 1 milliliter of water. For every 2 grams of water you will have 2 milliliters of water. So when will something sink in water? Something sinks in water if it has a density that is greater than water. It will sink in water if it has a density of greater than 1.0 gram per milliliter. So let's look at this picture here. What's more dense, ice or liquid water? So the first thing we need to do is look and see which one is sinking to the bottom, because that's the one that's more dense if it sinks to the bottom. So is the ice sinking to the bottom, or is the liquid water sinking to the bottom? Well, it appears to me that the liquid water is sinking here to the bottom. So liquid water is more dense than ice. Now let's do a problem. It says a certain solid has a volume of 35.7 cubic centimeters and a mass of 85 grams. What is its density? Well, we already know that the formula for density is mass divided by volume. We have a mass of 85 grams, so density is equal to 85 grams divided by the volume, and our volume is 35.7 cubic centimeters. So we're going to take 85 divided by 35.7 cubic centimeters. That answer is 2.4 grams per cubic centimeter. Now look, 85 has 2 significant digits, 35.7 has 3 significant digits, so our answer can have the fewest number, which is 2. Now you try this one, pause the video, and then come back and check your answer. Okay, check your answers. Thanks for watching.